How to buy Bert's token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in some crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the community index. As you can see, don't forget to go and engage with it. They have 274 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 2 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just copy the token address here and open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet, for example. Now we'll just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So that's what you need to do. Just select the BNB chain as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. There's it called Bert. Now after that, click on it, click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Bert token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.